want you to say z. 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 Do you feel a vibration on your vocal cords? You do. That's because z is a voiced sound. We're using our vocal cords. Let's try another one. Let's try S. Let's try S. Put your fingers on your vocal cords again, and let's say S. Do you feel a vibration this time? No. Therefore, S is a voiceless consonant. So,
two sounds in succession. S, Z, S, Z. Which one produces the vibration? You should feel that Z produces a vibration, so it's a voiced sound, whereas S does not produce the vibration, so it's a voiced